Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wine Wednesday. This is Jake Guttman from Rosevest Financial with an educational update for you guys for the month of June in the wonderful year of 2020. So, in this month's video, we'll discuss some of the recent headlines that have influenced the financial markets in May, and I'll also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. So, as always, please stay tuned at the end of the video for the fun required disclosure statements that we all know and love. But let's start here. So stocks rallied in May. We found that was sparked by a very supportive Federal Reserve, stories of reopening and progress on finding a COVID-19 vaccine. The Dow Industrial rose actually 4.3%, the S&P 4.5%, and the NASDAQ led that charge, picking up nearly 7% in the same window of time. During the month, investors chose to focus on future economic hopes rather than current woes. Stocks rallied on the news that the Federal Reserve is committed to doing whatever it takes to support the recovery. And they weakened a bit late in the month in response to tensions between the U.S. and China. But comments by President Trump on the last day of trading eased some of those concerns. In some sense, a sustained and complete economic recovery may rest on developing a vaccine for COVID-19. There are over 100 vaccine candidates, with 10 currently in clinical trials. And over the next couple months, results from several of these trials will be released or expected to be released. If positive, the vaccine trials could provide the markets with a sense of optimism. If they prove disappointing, investors may dread the prospect of a prolonged economic recovery. Either way, expect investors to be attentive to these developments. That's the short and sweet for this month's economic update. Once again, this is Jake Guttman from Rosevest Financial, and I'm signing off for the month of June. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you'd like to discuss your own personal financial situation, if we haven't already, please give me a call, 480-951-5300, and we'd be happy to talk to you as always. So, signing off for June 2020, happy Wine Wednesday, and have a little wine.